Firstly, I think it's very important to win tomorrow because we lose last two games about Liga 1. But tomorrow is our home game, so I'm feeling totally different last two games.
Selamat sore. As you know, we play on 23. Opponent team have more time than us, but we must work on this. And tomorrow, first we need that our supporters come to Pare to help our players to get extra energy, but also to help the club. As you know, in this moment, PSM Makassar have some difficulties, and the best way for the PSM Makassar supporters support the club, it's come to the stadium and help and support the team. It's very important that tomorrow they can make a good environment here, because Persisol have Bagus team, Bagus players, and have more time than us to prepare the game. So tomorrow, very important, the supporters come to the stadium.
Selamat sore. Firstly, I think it's very important to win tomorrow because we lose last two games about Liga 1. But tomorrow is our home game. So I'm feeling totally different last two games. So we must work hard and then try to get 3 points. But I think we are ready to get 3 points tomorrow. And then I hope many our supporters will come to Pare tomorrow. Yeah, that's it.
Come on, one game on the past, it's not the same game on the present, on the future. About Kike, he already played. Kike played 2 games against Bali. Kike, as you know, on this season, Liga 1 have Asian foreign player opportunity. In my opinion, Asian good are very expensive. So we signed with Kike because he have potential, but he need to develop this potential. He already played 2 matches, important matches against Bali, as you remember. And for me, play who show me on the training that are better. So on the trainings on this moment, he cannot show me yet that he can get the opportunity. For me, can be a player, local player with 17 years old, or can be a foreign player with 38 or 40 years old. I don't care. For me, it's performance and deserve. So this is why Kike not play. I don't have nothing against Kike. I hope that Kike can play. It's a good signal. It's signal that he is developed. This is the situation. Okay, so it's good. It's good to know. We're gonna try to play with the characteristics that the players that we have, and also with the conditions of the field that we're training. And this must be our target. We must see the conditions that we're training and the characteristics the players that we have. Don't forget that PSM Makassar last season make fantastic work together. When I say together, I say club, supporters and players. And this season, I hope that we come back, club, supporters and players. And the way that we play, it's according with the characteristics of our players. We must see the characteristics that we have and see what is best for the way that we play. And also, we must play according to the facilities that we have. Okay? So you understand my point of view, because if you don't, I don't want to speak, you know, because you must Sato, more Sato is Dua, okay? So I think you get my point of view. About opponent coach say about this, okay? I agree. It's good that he is be prepared, because it's a good signal. It's a signal that he lose time, study and see matches from PC Makassar. And we know that opponent team have big budget. I give example. Last season we get trial Sananta and we cannot renew contract with Sananta. So it's a big difference. So if they can sign Sananta and they can go to pick up players to Johor, players to other teams, means that they have more pressure than us. But at home we need our supporters to support us and to try to get points, because we are very near of degradation zone, and what we make last season not going to help us this season.